Now there's a reaction coming from Assam Chief Minister. He has sharpened his attack on Rahul Gandhi, targeting him for his pro-China and anti-India comments. He went on to say that Rahul Gandhi always insults India and promotes China. However, there's a defense coming from the Congress party, with the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge asserting that Rahul did not insult India and that BJP was only looking for excuses to target him. Listen in.
वो हमेशा भारत को नीचे दिखाने का और चाइना को एक बहुत बढ़िया नेशन का हिसाब से प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन चाइना में डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है कि कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का बीच में जो एमओयू हुआ था, मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, उनको खुलासा करना चाहिए। किसलिए क्या मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग में ये भी लिखा है कि राहुल गांधी जहां भी जाएगा चाइनीज को प्रमोट करेगा।
कभी उन्होंने भारत का अपमान किया नहीं, करेंगे नहीं, ये हमारा वादा है। लेकिन बीजेपी वालों को कुछ बहाना होना चाहिए, हर टाइम ऐसी चीजें उठाते हैं।
My colleague Rishabh joins us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, we heard the comments coming from Rahul Gandhi. Now, BJP is saying that he has maligned the country on foreign soil. Take us through the war of words as far as the comments from Rahul Gandhi are concerned.
Well, Akasha, good morning. Yes, Rahul Gandhi is in the United States and he was speaking in Virginia, where he went on to say that after 4th of June, when the Lok Sabha results came, the atmosphere of fear, quote unquote, in India was over. Rahul Gandhi was referring to the Lok Sabha results, where BJP falls short of an absolute majority and had to rely on the alliance partners to form the government. This for the first time since 2014. This time around also what happened was Congress gaining around 99 seats in total, which means that they had a chance to nominate the leader of opposition, which was Rahul Gandhi. And, emboldened by these results, Rahul Gandhi is in the United States. Yesterday we heard him speaking in Texas, where he directly attacked RSS, saying that RSS wants a uniform India, while there are multiple ideas that form India, the multiple ideas that come together to form India. Today in Virginia, he goes on to say that the results have made it clear that Prime Minister is not invincible. So the way Rahul Gandhi is in the United States and the way he's talking about the election results, about his politics, it has cleared way for war of words here in India as well. Be it Himant Biswa Sharma, be it Mallikarjun Kharge, we heard it from all these senior leaders, while BJP is aggressive, saying that Rahul Gandhi is doing nothing but maligning the Indian image in United States. Congress is very clear that what he is saying is truth and there is nothing to malign India. So, war of words between Congress and BJP has begun. While Rahul Gandhi will be speaking at a few more such events, this will continue. And remember, this just 2 weeks before Prime Minister himself will be visiting United States for Quad Summit and UN Future Summit.
Well, absolutely, Rishabh. A counter has come from the Congress party, wherein they have said that BJP is merely looking for excuses. Thank you for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now,